Look at this. It is a channel fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure
Look at
to
this.
go.
It is a broomfish.
Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Look at this. It is a prompted fish.
Play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the
Goodbye.
children play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still
Yeah!
near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
the lamb loved Mary so, Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Look at this. It is a chain of fish.
Lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know why Mary
Woohoo!
lamb, you know the teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is an eel.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.